Hey guys, so today is my Boxycharm unboxing. I'm a little late in the game, but that's okay. So I just got this a couple days ago, haven't opened it yet, and I wanted to open it all for you so that you could see what I got. So I am going to do kind of the same thing that I did with my Ipsy unboxing, or unbagging, where I unbox it for you, and then I'm going to try it all on my face. So those of you who just want to see the unboxing can just see the unboxing. And if you want to see the product put to the test, then go ahead and keep watching after the unboxing. I will put a little timestamp right here. If you don't want to see the unboxing, then you can just jump forward and see me put on the products. So I was getting so sick and tired of trying to not get my camera and my lights in my mirror behind me. So I moved the mirror and I put some little things up. Little picture, poster, canvas stuff. Both of my girls are asleep right now. Let's hope they stay asleep until I'm done. If not, they'll probably be in the video. If you guys are new, hey, my name is Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you're notified for all my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in my Boxycharm this month, then just keep watching. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a $21 a month subscription service. It includes 4 to 5 full-size makeup items. I would say throughout all the makeup subscriptions that I've received in the past, this is probably the most bang for your buck. It gives you the most product for only $21, which is awesome. All right. So opening it up, it always comes with a little card on top, a little monthly theme. This says vacation. It also includes everything on the back and how much it's worth. So the first thing I'm pulling on top is the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in 111 Prime Vixen. This is what it looks like. It's a very pink. Very pink. I was hoping for the other one. This item varied. There was another shade that you could get, and I was hoping for that one, but I don't have anything like this in my collection, so probably better to have something new and different than like the same blush that I have, basically the same color. I was a little nervous about this. We'll definitely see how it looks after it's applied. So the Pretty Vulgar blush retails for $26. The next item I'm seeing is this Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara, which is weird because I saw in all the spoilers you're supposed to get Butter London mascara. So this values for $20. This is a volumizing mascara. It says it lasts long. Volumizing mascara was formulated to help create thicker and fuller lashes. So I haven't tried this before. I was kind of looking forward to a Butter London mascara, but maybe this one's good. Ooh, the packaging is cute. So there's the packaging on it. And I do like volumizing mascaras. And there's the wand. It actually kind of reminds me of the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara wand, and that's my favorite mascara, so maybe this is a good one. The next thing I'm seeing is the South Main 3 Gel Eye Packs. It says it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area, and I could use some help with that. So it just comes in 3 little packs like this. I'll have to test this out and let you guys know in the comments below how I like them, or in the description box. You can just leave it on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. So I'll give this a try and let you guys know how I like it. And these retail for $10. The next thing in my box is the Vintage Cosmetic Company. This is a Smoky Eye Brush Set. You get a step 1, and it says, for the money. This looks like a flat shader brush. Then you get an angled shader crease brush, probably. This says step 2, for the show. And then this says step 3, go girl go. And this is a nice little smudger brush. I actually liking these kind of brushes. I think it'd be perfect for my lower lash line. So these are cute, kind of like a plasticky material, you know. but the bristles on these are very, very soft. So the Vintage Cosmetics Company Smoky Eye Makeup Set retails for $23.15. And now for the last thing in my box is the Boxycharm and Pure Eye Palette. Oh, so many stickers on everything. Goodness gracious. Okay, so here is the palette. I don't know how I feel about it, honestly. When I saw spoilers for it, I honestly wasn't that excited. I feel like a lot of palettes lately look pretty much exactly like this. Peachy, warm shades with like a pop of color in them. It's pretty, but I'm just kind of over it. So it's not my favorite palette in the world. Like I said, it's pretty, but I already have a lot of warm tone palettes with a pop of color in them. Seems to be this blue is like everywhere. So this palette retails for $36. So I'm just going to add up the full value of this box. So my total was $115.15, which is amazing for only spending 21 bucks. I just got over $100 worth of product for a really great price. So overall, price-wise, I'm really happy. I really am looking forward to trying this mascara and that blush, and trying out the brushes as well. So yeah, that's it for my unboxing. Like I said, if you want to stick around and see how the products apply, then just keep watching. Alright, so I went through, I did my eyebrows, my foundation, my concealer, and I powdered. So the first thing I'm going to start with is the Pretty Vulgar blush. Like I said, this is in shade Prim Vixen. I'm going to take a crown brush. This just says crown brush on it, so I don't know what kind of crown brush it is, but I'm going to use it for blush. So I'm just going to dab once, because I don't want to overdo it. Tapping off anything that could be on there, just going on in. If you go really light-handed, it's actually really pretty. I don't know how well you guys can see it on my cheeks, but I can definitely see a pink flush on there, but it's nothing major. I just went in with a super, super light hand so I wouldn't have clown cheeks, because nobody likes clown cheeks. Moving on to the eyeshadow palette and to the brushes, I'm going to take this shade right here. It's called Perfect. So I feel like this color doesn't like show up super well. It is, I mean, it's like a tanny, peachy kind of color in the pan. And typically everything shows up on my skin because of how pale I am. It's showing up a little bit, but I feel like it's not doing a whole lot. So I am going to take this shade right here called Belle. I am going to also put that into my crease. I feel like I'm having a little bit of a hard time getting the look that I want. Probably just because I'm not used to using angled brushes like this. So I feel like I'm having a little bit harder time applying it because I don't know how to use this brush very well. So now with the flat shader brush, I'm going to go into this shade right here. It's called Charmer. And I'm going to apply that all over my lids. And my 2-year-old just woke up, so if you hear her, I'm sorry. So with a brush, this really didn't do much of anything. I'm going to go in with my finger and apply it that way. And it just looks like a bunch of gold glitter. Yeah, not my favorite so far. Alright, so I really feel like that is literally just like gold glitter. not a whole lot came off on my eyes, and I had a bunch of fallout with it as well. Now my face is just kind of got gold glitter all over it, so oh well. For my bottom lash line, I'm going to take these two colors right here. These are Perfect and Naked, and I am going to take that on the step 3 brush and apply that underneath my lower lash line. So I'm gonna call it good where it comes to the eyeshadow. There is quite a bit of kickback when you go into it. The Charmer shade really didn't have any pigment in it. It's like gold glitter, straight gold glitter, so I'm not a fan of that. I don't know about the other colors. I was having a bit of a hard time with the brush, and I think that's why I'm having a bit of a hard time with blending the eyeshadow. Maybe I just don't know how to work the angled brush very well. Other than that, I did like the little smudger brush for underneath my lash line, and then the flat shader brush I know I will like, probably just not with this eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face before I put the mascara on, just so that I don't get mascara all over my under eyes. So I curled my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and try the mascara. I feel like it's not coating my lashes like very well. You know, a new mascara typically like really coats your lashes on the very first use. I feel like this one's not doing that very well. I feel like it's doing a good job at separating my lashes, but it's not really doing a good job of giving them volume. So I'm gonna go in with 2 coats of that just so that I can see what it looks like with 2 coats, because with 1 coat, I'm not too impressed. And I got some on my face. Going in for the second coating. Well, I kind of made a mess all over my face with this, so here's the problem. It's dried down, and now it's so dry that it won't come off. So it isn't really coming off at all. So I'm just gonna have a black spot on my face. This is annoying. Do you guys see that? This is ridiculous. I've never had a mascara be like this hard to get off on your face. Okay, so this is how it all turned out. Do you know those makeup days where everything just keeps going wrong and then you just want to take off all of your makeup and start over and not even use the products? Yeah, that's how I'm feeling. Honestly, I don't think I really liked any of it. And that's like so crazy for me to say because I always love typically what I get in my Boxycharm, but this month I'm just not feeling it. This palette isn't my favorite. The color scheme isn't my favorite, and then the application of them wasn't my favorite either, but that could have been user error. I'm not great at using angled brushes for in my crease. With that said, the brushes, using them in my crease that way isn't my favorite. All over the lid maybe would have been a better way to use them. The blush is okay as long as I go in with a really light hand. It's probably not something I'm going to wear all the time. And the mascara was a total dud for me. It didn't really volumize my lashes at all. It basically just lengthened them. And I'm more of a volumizing kind of lash girl. And the fact that it got on my skin, and I got some on my eyelid as well, and I could not just wipe it away. You know, typically you let it dry, you get a Q-tip and you just wipe it away. No, it doesn't do that. It won't come off. So I literally had to go in and take some of my makeup off. I had to get it wet, wipe it off, and then reapply some of my makeup. So for that, I probably won't ever use it again. So I'm really disappointed with that. Yeah. The mascara was a total no-go, total dud for me. And then I'll have to try the gel packs later. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm. How did you feel about it? Did anybody else get this Bella Pierre mascara? Let me know if you did and how you liked it. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm doing makeup.
Still want to make up eyes?
Mm-hmm.
You
You
want to make up eyes with
want to do makeup eyes? Maybe when you're a little bit older. You gotta be a little bit older.